Hello, I am Bentham. Welcome back to the Factorio No Crafting Challenge. In the previous episode, we sorted out a new iron supply. It's not quite kicked in yet. Let's go and have a look at how it's going. There's a nice big flow of iron. In fact, it looks like it might be too much iron. Maybe? That's not good. It does seem to be completely filling up the belts. But anyway, here comes the first smelted stuff. And we should have the iron progressing further and further along the line. Let's see how many we get going. Well, it depends on how many mining drills we have. We have 11 of them over there, so we should have all but one of these switching on, pretty much. Maybe not, though, because it doesn't look like the belt is full, so maybe only 10 mining drills worth is getting along. But anyway, that is a nice big boost. Pretty much doubled the iron production. Maybe even more, actually. Those seem to be struggling a bit. Oh, there we go. That one's kicked in. So yeah, we've got a nice big flow of iron coming down here, which should give us a big boost to the circuit production, which should boost everything else, because, as usual, circuit production is the limiting factor, along with iron, though at the moment the main iron supply is fine. It's just the stuff going into circuits that is the problem. So we've got 2 circuit factories running. That's it so far. It's going to improve. Yeah, here comes, you can see there's more of it, definitely. More of it on one side of the bit. Oh, of course, because I need to put the splitter in properly. Do I? Yes, sort of. No. There's a splitter there and that does the job, so we don't need another one. There we go. It's getting all the way to the end. Lovely, wonderful. Okay, so we have lots more circuit production. That should mean lots more of other things, such as advanced circuits. How are these going? We've got half of them running. That should improve now. And it is. And once we have enough circuit factories, we should get some modules being produced. How are the level 1 modules? We've got 4 of them at the moment. We need to finish setting up the level 2s now, I think, because I didn't put all of the framework in. Right, we need... There? Yeah, there. Oops. Like so. Do we have any inserters? We do... Oh no, we do. They're there. Like this, and then these will be fed. What am I saying? Oh, actually, they will need long-armed inserters, but we can use these here. And the long-armed will go out into the chests. Whoops! And for these, it will pull in from there. We need to extend the belt just by 1, and there we have it. And I think we can give this its job. Yep, that one's ready. Not much point at the moment. This one should be grabbing all of the processing units, and all of them should be getting past. I doubt we have any processing units yet, but they will come eventually. I'm pretty sure I've set this up right. Yeah, I have. All we need is for advanced circuits to be coming along. Oh yeah, I remember what the problem is. So 50% is being shaved off for this, but it's all the stuff that's on the top side of the belt. So until this fills up, we will never have advanced circuits going anywhere else, which is a little bit of a design flaw. We could do with fixing that, really. Though the plan was to fix it with just more circuits, because that will work. It is building up, I think. Maybe? There's a lot of blue signs going on. Yeah. We cannot yet really add more production on, but soon the gears should, not the gears, the circuit should start building up, and that will be a good sign. Oh, look at this. This has stopped. We need faster belts. Do we have those yet? We should research them if we don't. I don't think we have the setup yet for the blue belts and such anyway. Right, let's have a look at solar panels. There are tons of them. What has happened? I'm slightly scared. Okay. We'll go with that. We'll put in all these solar panels. Once that's done, we'll start working on logistics. We'll leave all of this system to work itself out. I'm sure that things will improve and it will all start working. Ooh, actually, this is... Okay, so there's too much iron coming through now. We need to stick a splitter in there to increase the flow. Not that it matters, because the circuit production is now limited by the yellow belts. Which is why I should use a sort of doubled-up system for that. That's the thing, like, with Rail World and No Crafting Challenge, I started them before I had some of my best ideas about how to set things, well, before I knew enough about what you would need of certain different materials for certain parts of the factory, and since starting I've realised that you need to double up circuits and advanced circuit production, But I'm too late. I've already done it that way, and I can't change it without some major messing about in the system that I can't be bothered to do, so it'll just have to stay like that, and we'll just have to deal with it. It probably won't be so bad in this series, because I don't intend to get all the research done. The aim of this challenge is just to complete the rocket defense. I'm not going to go for a full do all of the science thing, because this is a challenge. It's not so much like the thing about Railworld is that it's I'm doing it for the fun. This one is for the challenge. I mean, it's fun as well because it's an interesting take, but it's not fun enough to keep going until all the science is done. I'm just going to get rocket defense done, and we're going to end it there and start a new thing. Though we may start a new thing sooner. I've got something that I'm planning, so you can look forward to that. Anyway, we've got the extra power stuff sorted. Let's see what the grid is like today. Oh, we've got some research. What now? I think we have belts done, don't we? Yes, we do, so I can sort that out fine. Is there anything I want? I guess I want logistics stuff, because I'm doing that literally right now. So yeah, we'll upgrade the speed. Your speed takes like no research, so we'll go with that one. Slightly bunged up today, it's annoying. It's funny, sometimes in a video I realise that I've got a cold after recording it, because listening back I can hear it before I've even noticed it, but I can tell this time. My voice is a bit weird and nasally. Okay, right, we're doing logistics, that's what we're doing, because we've been setting up this stuff really slowly for a million years. We've not actually done it yet. We do some more light about the place. Let's do that as well quickly. Because I keep realising at the end of the episode I zoom out and show you the factory, and then I realise you can't see it because I've got no lights. But I'm going to remember this time. It's the worst problem with YouTubing Factorio. Nobody can see what you're doing at night time. There we go. And if I need any more lights, I'll have to go and get them crafted. Do I have a light crafter? I don't even know if I do. I guess I got them from somewhere. Right, so the grid. This bit is all nice and good. We want to extend it in this direction towards the factory where we can get all our belt production and stuff. Though later on I'll be setting up a proper belt thing over in our main line. Just in the meantime we want to make use of the stuff that we already have. Right, let's line this up right. There we go, and then we'll put this one up here. Hopefully we don't have to move anything for it. Excellent. And then one more here, and that will, I think it'll cover a bit of the factory, but not enough. We'll need a little bit more. Okay, so this one, we've got a plastic belt in the way. Ooh, where have you gone? Oh, it ran out of power. Damn it. I like how they do start with a bit of power so you can work out your positionings, but shortly after that they shut down and you can no longer see them on the grid. So now I have to wait for it to switch on again so I know where I'm putting this thing. There we go. Okay, so the problem is you have to be super zoomed out to see the edge. Hang on, there we go. But then you have to be super zoomed in to maneuver things properly and see what you're doing. Okay, so we need to just throw one more at the top and bottom, and then we'll have to clear away all this plastic, get an underground belt, and then we can stick the thing in. There we go. And what does it cover? It covers this side. Oh, there's my light production. I guess I do have some, and I'll pick some up now because I'll probably want them later. A good 20 of them. I have a ton of bricks in my inventory right now. I always mess that up. I always forget to clear out my inventory. All the time. Okay, so we've got the logistics system almost covering everything here. We could start up inserter delivery, but I'm going to go get a few more roboports to just put in the last bit of stuff. And then I will no longer have to go visit the factory every 5 minutes to resupply myself. And it will be glorious. None of these have been produced. We need one more advanced circuit. And there it goes. Now we're producing one. It's going to take a little bit. Right, so we need more advanced circuits to make a few more of these. So think I might. Well, actually, no, because we only need one more to cover the factory, and that's the only important stuff right now. Right now. What am I doing? My nose. It's annoying me. So one will do. And we'll sort out the rest later on. The priority is just getting it so that I can get the basic components of a factory delivered to me automatically, because it's important. So we do have this sort of sticking out sideways a bit. Oh, there's that bit there, I forgot. That's not connected, so it looks worse than it is. I hope I can build this in... Oh no. The steam engines are blocking it. Why? Why must you do this? Okay. So it wants to be right there where those two steam engines are. I'm going to be really annoying. And I'm actually going to get rid of these to put it in, because I hate having the grid go wrong. Because once it's gone wrong, you can never fix it. It's got a ripple effect going outwards, ruins everything. Okay, so we put that in place. And then here's the clever bit, which I can't do because I've only got... Why have I got half of an underground pipe? What have I done for that? I hate it when that happens. You end up with half an underground belt or an underground pipe and you have no idea why or how or where. Where am I going? Oh, the underground pipes are back over there now. They used to be there and I moved them. Soon we'll have it sorted. I'm just going to go up here and plug this in. There you go. They are not going to be good for the power consumption. Every time you switch one of those on, there's a big power spike, which basically ruins the day. And it means that before sunrise, everything will break and die. How's this going? Have we got some stuff yet? Has it begun? No. Come on, you got to have some coming through by now. Oh, not quite. They've not quite built up over there. They will. And once they do, all the remaining ones that get through will be going onto processing unit production. I'm going to put a limit on this chest before I forget. All of them. Okay. We don't have any more of those, of course. What did I come over here for? Pipes. We've gone too far now. Let's go back over here. That will be enough. I guess we'll take 15. And do we have normal pipes? Yeah, we do. We've got 30 of them there. And we're not good for substations. I only see 2. And I think that's all of them, because there were some in a chest over there, but I believe I took them all out. It's too far up. I'm not going to go over there. So I don't know if that's going to be a problem or not. Hopefully it won't be. But now all we need to do is that. And we've reconnected these. And then what we need to do, slightly more awkwardly, is add these on the end here. And hook them up to the grid. So that's a bit awkward, but I don't care. Right. So now I need to set up the logistics stuff, I guess. So we will do that. Let's say we want a stack of those. 20 of those. And 20 of those. We'll have to turn those into provider chests. Oh, we have 2 of them right now, so I guess we can start it up. Oh. There we go, the limits have stayed. So I'm going to turn this up to 100 because I know that I like to keep 2 stacks of belts on me. Okay, so I don't know if there's any logistic spots going at the moment. Oh, the power is terrible. Yeah, the accumulators are barely charged, I think. What happened here? Oh, I broke the steam engines. That's definitely a part of it. There's these massive spikes. They've caused a problem. It may be fixed once we don't mess about with the power system during the day. It's hard to say. Thing is, I think the roboports do have a bad enough sort of baseline consumption anyway that we have to deal with. Right. How many logistic spots do we have at the moment? Do we have any in the system? Where's that chest I had around the place? Oh, I deconstructed it. Hold on. Right, I'm just going to plonk this down. What have we got in the network? We have no robots in the network. That's good, because none are delivering at the moment. We've got 25 of these in here. Why haven't we got any more? Oh, do we actually? Oh, we ran out of advanced circuits. Of course we did. Okay. Be free! And do my bidding. That as well. Okay, so those ones are going to charge, and I think those ones are going to deliver me stuff. Excellent. No, all we need is for more to be produced because this is all broken and died. As it likes to. Any processing units yet? No. Has the science built up yet? No. It should eventually. I think we can extend this now though, because as you can see it's sort of stopped. Well, it's building up is what I mean. So I think we'll try it. I think I'll just see what happens. Right. Oh, there's this here. Oh no! And this stuff's super... Okay, we can fit a thing. No, we can't. That's annoying. I didn't think of that. We're gonna have to move this up. And really, if I want to move it up, I should move the whole thing up, because that will make it so much easier. Okay, let's do that. Did I hear bots then? Well, that might have been the robot port. There should be bots coming. Oh, there they are. They're on their way. Yay. Success. Right, so this is like this. Now all the other robots will be activating to deliver me the belts. I'm going to run out, aren't I? I just need to mark the thing. Okay, here we go. Go this way. And then run out. And then we'll start deconstructing these. This is a stupid way to do it. But I am a stupid person. So it's all good. I could use just deconstruction actually for this. That would be interesting. Thank you. Thank you very much. Much obliged. All the underground belts. Now go get me normal belts. I need them. But yeah, let's try deconstruction. Oh, that's the wrong button. What will they do with it? Oh, auto-saving. They'll deliver it straight to me. Perfect. That is nice. Oh, there you go. That's the thing. If you move at all, they can't catch up with you. Deconstruct this, please. Why is it all built up on one side? That doesn't even make sense. They should be being taken up on both sides by the smelters, surely. Or maybe not, because they might be being taken off one side of the belts, which means they're on one side of the... Yeah. So we've got too much iron production right now. So we've got weird build-ups on half of the stuff. Right, can I fill this in now? We need one more. Thank you very much. Ta-da! So now it's going to go all the way down there before we have a problem with it again. And let's clear this, and a tree in the process. Why not? I think we've got a... Have we got a chest on the network? Yes, we do, over there. Just in range. So they can go deliver to that, and that's all fine. And once everything's completely run down on one side, the other side will start moving quicker, because the furnaces will be taking stuff from that side. Oh, they're all having to charge now. That's good, I'm getting logistics bots and construction bots delivering me tons of belts. Except the construction bots will be delivering me belts so that the logistics bots no longer have anything to do, which could be a problem. We'll get it go right up to the end. Oh, and there we go with logistics robot speed. So we'll do cargo size. So now they can carry twice as much, I guess. That's the thing with upgrades that add 1 to something. They're really effective at the beginning because you go from 1 to 2 and it's doubled. Now I may start to have a problem because I think I might be full of belts now. No, I'm not. Okay, there's no problem. Because I imagine if I'm full of belts then the construction bots will just deliver them to the storage chest, and that's no good. Though I do think the storage chest has belts in it anyway. And I think it's a provider chest that has belts. Come on, clear away already, you stupid stuff. Oh, I know what I can do, actually. To speed up the process, we have a splitter here. There we go, it'll run down nice and quick now. Ooh, deliver me stuff. Thank you. You three have to follow me. I'm busy. There we go. It's running down super fast now. Oh, I've told them to do too many things. They're complaining now. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can set this up as I like to, with more and more belts, keeping the logistics bots busy. So you make, where is it? You make that, and then, what is it, shift that I use? There we go. I'm learning buttons now. I've always been really terrible for hotkeys and key combinations for just anything in games. And I'm starting to learn them now in Factorio because I just sort of need to. I'm supposed to be an expert in this game. I've got to demonstrate my abilities, but I have to acquire them first. Right, so these ones all go out, don't they? Yes, they do. Will we even have enough for this? Because these use a lot of long-armed inserters. I like to do it like this, and then fill in the middle ones with blue ones, because it's more fun. Except these don't use blue ones. Whoops. How do they go in? I just used 3 on that side. You don't need 3. I just did that. Okay. And then we do indeed have enough, but only just. We'll have to sort out the bots delivering those to me next. Okay, so now we need to extend this section, but where have the circuits gone? Oh, the copper! No! Every time I fix something, something else breaks. More specifically, every time I fix one ore, the other ore breaks. Okay. Just enough to do, well, no, I do have one left, but it's filled it in perfectly. On this side we can just use the normal power poles. And then finally, there we go. It is all now set up and should be functional.